Good day, judges, engineers, and distinguished guests. My name is Brighton Mutwasekwa, representing Team Sentinel Innovators. Imagine a farmer standing in a field, holding a bag of fertilizer, unsure whether applying more will increase yields or silently degrade the soil and contaminate nearby rivers. This uncertainty drives fertilizer over-application, inefficient irrigation, and ecosystem damage. This directly impacts Sustainable Development Goals, that is SDG 12, SDG 14, and SDG 15. Today, we present RoboSoil, an autonomous solar-powered mobile soil intelligent platform engineered to deliver real-time in-field soil diagnostics and moisture prediction for smallholder farming systems. Smallholder agriculture forms the backbone of food production in Zimbabwe and across the global south. However, most farmers operate without quantitative soil data, relying on heuristics and experience rather than agronomic insights. Consequences are nutrient imbalance, inefficient water use due to non-optimized irrigation schedules, nutrient runoff and eutrophication of aquatic systems, progressive soil structure degradation, and fertility decline. Conventional soil testing laboratories are centralized, costly, and time-intensive, while existing precision agriculture technologies are capital-intensive and unsuitable for small-scale development. RoboSoil addresses these gaps through a cyber-physical agricultural system that integrates robotics, embedded electronics, sensing technologies, and data-driven decision logic. The platform is designed around three tightly coupled engineering layers.
Layer number 1, mobile sensing and actuation layer. In this layer, RoboSoil is an electromechanical soil probe houses calibrated sensors for soil pH, volumetric water content, macronutrient concentration, NPK. Layer number 2, embedded intelligence and data processing layer. Sensor signals are conditioned and discharged by an embedded microcontroller platform. Data is processed using row-based nutrient sufficient modules, moisture retention estimation algorithms, parameterized by soil texture and current water content. This enables predictive irrigation scheduling and precision fertilizer recommendation, minimizing over-application while maintaining optimal crop nutrients. Layer number 3, communication and human-machine interface layer. Processed outputs are transmitted via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to a mobile application dashboard. The interface provides multilingual farmer-readable recommendations, offline-first functionality for low connectivity regions, historical data logging for seasonal trend analysis. This transforms complex sensor data into actionable agronomic intelligence. Preliminary validation demonstrates stable sensor readings across varying soil samples, reliable moisture trends prediction under controlled conditions. From an impact perspective, irrigation water usage can be reduced by up to 30%. Fertilizer inputs are optimized, reducing nutrient leaching and runoff. Crop yields are projected to increase by 20 to 40%. Critically, by preventing excess fertilizer application, RoboSoil protects aquatic ecosystems from eutrophication, preserves soil integrity and land productivity. The project directly supports SDG 9, SDG 12, SDG 14, and SDG 15.
RoboSoil is engineered using low-cost, locally sourced components, enabling local assembly and maintenance, deployment via farmer cooperatives, extension services, and NGOs, scalable service-based modules suitable for rural contexts.
In conclusion, RoboSoil operationalizes sustainable agriculture through engineering precision. By integrating robotics, sensing, embedded intelligence, and digital interfaces, the system replaces guesswork with data, enhances food security, and safeguards land and water ecosystems.
RoboSoil is not just a robot.
It is a platform for sustainable, data-driven farming. Thank you.